What's up, everyone? I was at Walmart today and found this beauty on the shelf for $8.50. So I'm going to open it up and see how this is right now. Now this is a stainless steel blade with wooden inlay handles. It is 3.25 inch blade, liner lock with a pocket clip, tip up pocket clip. It's a little stiff, but not too bad overall. It feels alright in the hand. And let's see how centered it is. Right there you can see it's pretty good. Not too bad at all. And we will see how it does with this edge that they gave it. Alright. It's a little dull in places. Not too bad up near the tip. But it is a $8 blade after all. Not very good. But with a little work, it shouldn't be too bad. So, this is the 7.75 inch pocket knife from Ozark Trail. For $8, I mean, it's not bad at all, really. Like I said, it feels good in the hand, and it'll be a pretty decent little work beater. At least that's what I'll be using it for. I can stop taking my decent knives to work. We'll see how long it lasts. Alright, I thank you all for tuning in, and I hope to see you again in the future.